What happened? Is Lee okay?
I think he'll be okay. It's just, yeah, it's not that bad, but he wanted me to come get you just in case.
What hospital did you say he was at?
I didn't. Didn't say.
Where are we going?
Patients will be there soon enough.
No, you have to tell me. Please, where are we going?
Don't you want to know who Lee really is?
What are you talking about?
I'm curious. Does he even realize who you are?
Who are you?
Didn't you ever wonder who it was? All those years ago. Don't you want to know who the two men were that did that to your family? Home sweet home. Yeah, I feel the nostalgia too. And believe it or not, this was mine, Lee's very first job. You're so keyed up. God, we couldn't wait. It's the very first time I really felt alive.
No. No, I don't believe what you're saying.
I mean, I wish I could take all the credit, but Lee was just a little bit more eager than I was. Put 2 rounds in your dad before I even realized it. Then I finished off your mom, so still got my gold star.
This is all just a bad dream.